Happy learning!
Hello kiddos, let's write the letter M. Let's start. Start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line down to the right. Next, make a line up to the right. Now, make one more line down to the bottom. Let's try it again. Standing line, slanting line, again slanting line, and one more standing line. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Yeah, well done. Now you know how to write the letter M. Next time we will write the letter N. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.